Bismillah, walhamdulillah, wassalatu wassalam ala rasulillah. Amma ba'd, fa'auzu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Weekly weigh-ins, body shaming, eating disorders like anorexia nervosa and bulimia, exhausting working hours, unsafe working conditions, stolen wages, shady agents, stress, months without a paycheck, shoddy rundown apartments, age shaming, medical illnesses like anxiety, depression, and body dysmorphia, exploitation of underage girls, unrealistic and unreasonable expectations, highly edited, cropped, and triggering content, toxic, unattainable beauty standards, toxic power dynamics, drugs and alcohol abuse, unwanted sexual advances, harassment, abuse, and rape. Welcome to the dark side of the modeling industry, the one that goes beyond the glossy magazine covers, designer labels, and world-famous runway shows. وآخر دعوانا أن الحمد لله رب العالمين.